Preeti here, your life coach and law of attraction guide. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a success story of one of my clients who attended my new moon healing workshop. So recently I had conducted a healing workshop on new moon, and in that workshop I talked to them about the importance of using the moon in your manifestations. We did a beautiful little ritual, and we also had a new moon healing meditation along with a Reiki session. So it was a beautiful ceremony, and everyone who participated had a lot of fun. I think we had almost 70 people who signed up for the workshop. So one such person who attended this workshop wants to talk to you guys about her experience after the new moon healing workshop. Let's listen to what she has to say.
Hi Preeti ma'am. I just want to share a success story. After I participated in the new moon healing workshop of yours, I would say my energy levels are really high after that day, and amazing things are happening in my life from that day. I would like to share a success story which happened recently with me. So I was willing to do this Microsoft certification, for which free vouchers were going to be distributed by a company. But by mistake, I registered for some other course for which I'm not willing to do it. And the team that was looking into this voucher distribution told me that I'll have to continue with whichever course I have registered for. But I would say, due to my strong willpower and not giving up attitude, I have manifested the surprise. So yesterday when I opened my Facebook, I just saw one of my friends post who works in Microsoft, and out of curiosity I pinged him and asked him whether he has an information about this Microsoft course which I want to do. To my surprise, he sent me a webinar link which offers free vouchers, and also gave me the details of the course that would help me in the certification. I was so happy to see it. I was stunned. And I really believe that I will get the free vouchers through this webinar, which will be conducted on Monday, for the certification I want to do. So I have fingers crossed for it. Another miracle that happened this morning is I received a mail from the team that looks into the free vouchers, and they said that my nomination has been pushed for wave 2 and they'll be considering it and validate it. So I'm really hoping that I will manifest the free voucher for the desired course from either of these two streams, either from the external webinar or through my company. I really feel that my thoughts have started manifesting after the full moon healing workshop. And few minutes back, I would say I also manifested a great thing at my work front. That is, there were 3 ongoing issues and all of them were resolved today itself. I was just thinking this morning that what can I do to resolve it, and because I wanted them to be resolved by this month end. So I just had a call with my clients, and they confirmed with me that 2 of the issues are resolved and one of them I resolved it today. So I'm really feeling so grateful to the universe today, and I feel that any wish that I make today, it's really going to come into reality. So my energy levels are high, and I would just say that these healing workshops which Preeti ma'am is conducting are really very well. The healing workshop, the Reiki workshop that was conducted as included in this workshop, I would say they are really beneficial. My energy levels are high, and I also have registered for the new moon healing workshop, the full moon healing workshop, which will be conducted the next week, and I really hope to get amazing results after that as well. So my immense gratitude to universe and to Preeti ma'am for conducting these workshops, and I hope that you keep conducting them and our energy levels be this high so that we manifest our dreams into reality. Thank you so much.
Wow! I am so happy that she is able to get such beautiful results shortly after the new moon session. And it is very true. Once you do a healing ceremony along with the moon, your energy levels change, because now you're using the power of the new moon as well as the power of the universal Reiki energy, and that really contributes to your high energy as well as your manifestations coming true very, very quickly. So I hope this has inspired you guys to either do your own new moon healing ceremony, or if you're interested, you can join me on my next session, which is a full moon healing ceremony coming up on July 4th. If you're interested, the link to join this healing ceremony is in the description box below. Seats are limited, so please make sure that you sign up if you really are interested. I hope to see you in the full moon healing ceremony and get the benefits just like she got. Are you excited? I will see you in another video soon. Bye.